I just launched. I just seen some fish underneath the kayak on the side imaging, so give it a couple casts. Why not? See the fish on the finder. Give it a chance. They about suspended too. Suspended fishies. All right. It's not where I want to go, but we give it a chance right here. Might as well. A bunch of babies over there. A couple fish here and there. Could be mullet too. There we go. That's some fishies. All right. We're not gonna play around with this. We can give this a little toss out the back. Let it just kind of do its thing. And we'll get back with you if we get something. Alrighty. Got my first fish. Alrighty. Fighting hard too. What was it? Oh, little trout. Little trout. Alrighty. He's kind of caught it because if I wanted him, I'd have netted him. Just gotten like a freaking first little part of something pretty decent right here. A little bit different. Like a hole. Wonder if I should be going that top water, man. Alright. Got a decent one. Got a face full of hooks, I know that. Alright, we know where our line is. Don't break me. These like you love to wrap me. God dog it. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Shit. Yeah. Got an eye. I'm gonna eat that. Eat real good. A Y ball for dinner. Oh, another one on the jerk bait. I had a couple bites before that, so I might have found them. Hopefully I found them. Nothing big yet though, nothing big. That was a decent size. That was probably a keeper size. We're looking for a lot bigger than that. Both of my hits came on the paws too. That's this one. What's this on? All right, throwing the top water. Throwing the top water, and got destroyed. Not the fish I'm after though. Good fish though. Pretty fish. Oh shit! I got that other line out. I forgot. Got one damn pinfish out. Oh shit. I don't know why I'm doing that for anyway. Bring all this shit in, dude. This catastrophe I got going on, y'all. I do this to myself. Good Lord. I'm retarded. Alrighty. It's showtime. It's showtime. Yep, there you go. Old redfish on top water. That was a catastrophe. Comedy hour. I guess that's what it is, comedy hour. Ready. Top water. And another red doggy, y'all. Here we go. Redfish wanted to come eat top water. I did just catch a redfish, so can't complain too much. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Something following, motherfucker. Got my face bug. Something in here, fucker, man. Catching like a dream. It's like a year has gone by and I ain't got a dang bite. Wind's hitting that bank. Might be the deal. Because it's getting dark and I need to get back. I don't have my light. Oh well, be alright. There's time. Yeah, buddy. I know they got fish in here too, boy. So what's up, everybody? Well, I am at the airport right now, editing this video, and my wife sitting next to me. We're going to Kauai. So as you can hear on the intercom, because they don't shut up on the intercom for nothing. But on this particular day, I went out fishing for about 3 hours or so. Just couldn't really find them. Found a couple on the flats with some wind pouring over the grass. And hit them up with a jerk bait, top water right next to the bank. Just wasn't a very good day. I thought it was going to be a stellar day because of the conditions and whatnot. But sometimes, even when you think it's going to be a good day, it's not a good day. And sometimes you just have to go to a different location. But I had a certain amount of time and I wanted to check out a certain area, so that's what I did. So, hope y'all like this video, and I'll check y'all on the next one later.